Hi everyone, welcome to Joys It Flies. I'm Teresa if you're new here, and I deal with the cooking on this side of the channel. I am also a wannabe gardener, and I say wannabe because I'm not very good at it and I really want to be. All my success that I've had so far, I think, has just been pure luck. I've had some fantastic tomatoes and courgettes and purple sprouting broccoli over the last three or four, no, I've had raised garden beds for about 4 years, I think. So, and I've had some really great things from those. As I said, none of that's down to skill, because the first year I just planted whatever I liked the look of. The second year I kind of planted whatever I liked the look of. Last year I was a bit more thoughtful. The year before and last year I was a bit more thoughtful about what I planted. But I think I kind of played it a bit safe and stuck to just tomatoes and cucumbers. Only got a few cucumbers. Don't seem to do brilliantly with those. So I really would like to spend the next couple of weeks planning out my garden and see whether any of you have any advice. If you love gardening, if you've got a vegetable garden, what's some good ideas of things I can plant that I am going to have more success with, or a greater variety. I always have this idea that I'd love a pumpkin or melons and various things like that. I haven't got a greenhouse yet. I haven't got the space for pumpkins. It's not going to happen as much as I'd love it to. So basically things that would maximize the space and things that I can preserve, and things that I can preserve and have for months afterwards are also kind of high up on my list. This was my garden in the height of the growing season, and you can see it's a little bit wild, and there actually are some great things in there. There's tomatoes, there are leeks, there are actually various different varieties of tomatoes. There's raspberries and strawberries that I had in these vertical planters, which actually I've had to get rid of now because they were only from the pound shop and they did serve their purpose, but they weren't great quality. So I would like to replace those with something else similar and maybe a bit sturdier. And I also got loads of nasturtium. I am good at growing nasturtium. Oh, and I think I even got some carrots as well. I also had a fantastic crop of plums. So I did really well with everything in terms of we had lots. I would just like to make better use, as I said before, of the space. This is what I've got to work with. These are the planters before when I first planted them. And these are just some of the things that I made with the produce. These are the green tomatoes. I grew a ripe tomato which stayed green, and the tomatoes, normal tomatoes, which I canned up. And I absolutely love having preserved food. You can find those videos on our channel as well. And with the nasturtium, I made a big batch. Actually, I did this a couple of times throughout the summer. I made a big batch of pesto, and it makes fantastic pesto. One thing you will see that I am really good at growing, apparently, are these. And this is why. She was not pleased with me at all. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Check out our other videos. You have Cassidy, my youngest, with her fabulous sewing tutorials and vlogs. Alyssa, my oldest, with her fabulous crochet videos, and my other videos, which are generally recipes and cooking with me vlogs. And again, please leave a comment with your advice for gardening and having a vegetable garden.